Hello and welcome to Travels with Charlie, and today we're going inside this magnificent Grade 2 listed building. This is the Corn Exchange in Manchester city centre, and it was first opened in 1902. This building was originally commissioned because of the increase in trade of corn and other produce. And over the years it has reinvented itself. It was unused for many years, and then during the 70s and 80s there were market stalls inside here, and then it became the Triangle Shopping Centre. That was after the IRA bomb in 1996, and the last few years it's been renovated again, and it's now this place with lots of different restaurants. So let's have a look around. And I'll put a list of all the restaurants in the description box below. This is in a great location in Exchange Square in Manchester, and in Exchange Square it has its own tram station. It's very close to the Football Museum and the Print Works, and of course the Arndale Shopping Centre, which again has been improved and redeveloped over the years. This video was taken in October, hence all the brown leaves representing autumn, and a monster there representing Halloween, and a monster theme around Manchester. So from the monsters we go back in to the Corn Exchange building itself, and I'll look around some of these restaurants. Many of these restaurants have entrances at the front as well. Let's look at the magnificent glass roof. Beautiful. Lots of lighting. There's a hotel here as well called the Rooms Hotel, which has 114 rooms, and you can get a room here for around about £80 during the week, and a little bit more expensive at the weekend. And I've got to say, having stayed there, it is really pleasant and such a great location as well. There are lots of different types of restaurants here, so plenty of choice for all tastes. There's a Greek restaurant, an Italian restaurant, an Indian restaurant, plenty to choose from. There's the Rooms Hotel I was just telling you about. That's the back entrance. And there's the Deli House Cafe, which I can recommend. And I particularly like the Mum's Buttered Chicken Curry, which is really nice. Highly recommended. Probably one of the best curry places in Manchester. Or do you know different? Please put a comment below. And that's about it from this visit to the Corn Exchange in Manchester. Please do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, of course, if you want to. Until next time, bye for now.